In today's video, we're diving into the world of side hustles, specifically focusing on 10 easy options that students can start right away. Whether you're looking to pay off student loans, save for a dream vacation, or simply have some extra cash for weekend fun, these side hustles can help you achieve your financial goals. We'll explore a variety of opportunities that fit into a busy student schedule, ensuring you can balance work and study effectively. Side hustles are not just a trend. They're a vital way for students to gain financial independence and learn valuable skills. In this engaging and informative video, we'll break down each side hustle, discussing the pros and cons, potential earnings, and tips for getting started. So, if you're ready to boost your income and gain some real-world experience, stick around as we uncover these exciting opportunities. Freelance writing is a fantastic way for students to leverage their writing skills and earn some extra cash. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are excellent starting points for finding writing gigs that fit your schedule. These sites allow you to connect with clients looking for everything from blog posts to technical writing. To stand out in a competitive market, it's essential to create a portfolio showcasing your best work. This not only demonstrates your writing ability, but also builds credibility with potential clients. Consider specializing in niche topics such as health, technology, or personal finance, as these areas often have a high demand for content. By focusing on a specific niche, you can position yourself as an expert, making it easier to attract clients and command higher rates. So, if you have a passion for writing, dive into the freelance world and start earning today. Offering tutoring services is a great way for students to share their knowledge while earning money in subjects they excel in. Online platforms like Wisent and Chegg make it easy to connect with students in need of help, allowing you to set your own schedule and work from anywhere. These platforms provide a user-friendly interface and a built-in audience, making it simpler to find clients. To maximize your reach, consider marketing your services on social media. Share your expertise, success stories, and testimonials to attract potential students. Engaging with your audience can help build trust and showcase your teaching style. When it comes to setting your rates, it's important to be competitive, yet reflective of your expertise. Research what other tutors in your subject area are charging and adjust your rates accordingly. By offering quality tutoring at a fair price, you can establish a loyal client base and enjoy a rewarding side hustle. Caring for pets is a fun and rewarding way for students to earn extra money. With the rise of pet ownership, services like pet sitting and dog walking are in high demand. Apps like Rover and Wag make it easy to find clients in your area, allowing you to set your own hours and work around your class schedule. Building trust with pet owners is crucial in this business. Make sure to communicate openly, provide updates, and be reliable. A good reputation can lead to repeat clients and referrals, which are invaluable in this industry. Additionally, promoting your services in local communities can help you reach more potential clients. Consider creating flyers, posting on community boards, or joining local social media groups focused on pets. By showcasing your love for animals and your commitment to their care, you can establish a successful side hustle that fits your lifestyle. Selling handmade items online is a fantastic way for students to turn their creativity into cash. Platforms like Etsy are perfect for showcasing your unique crafts, whether it's jewelry, home decor, or personalized gifts. Etsy provides a built-in audience of craft enthusiasts, making it easier to reach potential buyers who appreciate handmade products. Encouraging students to showcase their creativity is key. Unique designs and personal touches can set your items apart from the competition, attracting more customers. High-quality photos and engaging descriptions can also enhance your listings, making them more appealing. When it comes to pricing your crafts, it's essential to develop a strategy that ensures profitability. Consider the cost of materials, time spent creating each item, and any platform fees. Research similar products to gauge market prices, and don't be afraid to adjust your rates as you gain experience and recognition. With the right approach, selling handmade crafts can be a rewarding side hustle. Managing social media accounts for businesses is an excellent side hustle for students looking to earn money while honing their marketing skills. Potential clients include local businesses, startups, and even individual entrepreneurs who need help establishing their online presence. Many small businesses recognize the importance of social media, but lack the time or expertise to manage it effectively. Understanding the nuances of different social media platforms is crucial for success. Each platform has its own audience and best practices, so being knowledgeable about where to post content and how to engage followers can make a significant difference in a client's online visibility. Encouraging students to create a portfolio of their work is essential for attracting clients. Showcase successful campaigns, engaging posts, and analytics that demonstrate growth in followers or engagement. A strong portfolio not only highlights your skills, but also builds trust with potential clients, making it easier to land new projects. Virtual assistants play a vital role in helping businesses and entrepreneurs manage their day-to-day operations. For students looking to earn extra income, becoming a virtual assistant can be a flexible and rewarding opportunity. Typical tasks include managing emails, scheduling appointments, conducting research, and handling social media accounts. These responsibilities can vary widely, allowing students to choose areas that align with their skills and interests. To get started, students can explore platforms like Belay or Time, etc., which connect virtual assistants with clients seeking help. These platforms often provide a straightforward application process and a variety of job listings. Encouraging students to develop strong organizational and communication skills is essential for success in this role. Being detail-oriented and responsive can significantly enhance client satisfaction and lead to repeat business. With the right skills and a proactive approach, students can build a thriving virtual assistant career while balancing their studies. Exploring opportunities in food or package delivery is an excellent way for students to earn money while maintaining a flexible schedule. Popular apps like DoorDash and Postmates offer convenient platforms for delivering food from local restaurants to customers' doorsteps. These services are in high demand, especially during busy mealtimes, making it a viable option for students looking to make extra cash. One of the biggest advantages of delivery services is the flexibility of working hours. Students can choose when to work, allowing them to balance their studies and personal commitments effectively. This adaptability makes it easier to fit delivery shifts around classes and exams. However, it's essential for students to consider safety and local regulations when starting a delivery job. Familiarizing themselves with traffic laws, safety protocols, and any specific regulations in their area can help ensure a smooth and secure experience. With the right approach, delivery services can be a rewarding side hustle for students. Participating in online surveys is a simple and flexible way for students to earn extra money in their spare time. Reputable survey sites like Survey Junkie and Swagbucks offer opportunities to share opinions on various products and services in exchange for cash or gift cards. These platforms are user-friendly and provide a steady stream of surveys, making it easy to get started. Honesty and consistency are crucial when participating in surveys. Providing genuine feedback not only helps companies improve their offerings, but also ensures that students receive appropriate rewards for their efforts. Additionally, being consistent in completing surveys can lead to higher earnings over time. To maximize earnings, students should manage their time effectively. Setting aside specific time slots for survey participation can help maintain focus and productivity. By balancing survey taking with other commitments, students can turn this side hustle into a reliable source of income without overwhelming their schedules. In this video, we explored a variety of side hustles that students can easily start to boost their income and gain valuable experience. From freelance writing and tutoring services to pet sitting and virtual assistant roles, there are numerous opportunities tailored to fit different skills and schedules. We also discussed the benefits of platforms like Etsy for selling handmade crafts and the flexibility of delivery services through apps like DoorDash and Postmates. Now is the time to take action and explore these exciting opportunities that can help you manage your finances while balancing your studies. Whether you choose to participate in online surveys or dive into social media management, there's something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends for more content on side hustles and financial tips. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your side hustle journey.